Okay, so let's have a look at the 2021 exam paper on the sole trader. And for A. Kenny, first adjustment for that is our closing stock. So it says stock at cost on the 31st of 12, 2020 was 72,100. It's the value of our closing stock. This figure includes damaged stock, which cost 12,400. So because that stock is damaged, we're going to reduce the 72,100 by 12,400. But now has a net realizable value of 25% of cost. So 25% of this 12,400, there's a value in it that we need to add back onto our closing stock. So we get 25% of 12,400 and add it back on. So our cost then is 72,100 from the question. Our damaged stock is 12,400. So we're going to take 72,100. We're going to take 12,400 away from it. Our net realizable value then is 25% of this 12,400. So it's going to be 12,400 multiplied by 25%. Gives us 3,100 of a net realizable value. So we're going to add this back on to the 59,700. So our closing stock figure now is 62,800. Let's have a look at that again. So the cost, 72,100. The damaged stock, 12,400. We're going to take it away from the 72,100. The net realizable value is 25% of your cost, which is 12,400. So you took 12,400 multiplied by 25%. We got 3,100, and then we added that back on because that just is the net realizable value. So that's part one, your closing stock.